discerning drivers will appreciate the 2015 Hyundai Elantra. This four-door, five-passenger sedan will allow you to take command of the road with confidence. It features a front-wheel drive platform, an automatic transmission, and a 1.8-liter four-cylinder engine. Hyundai paid particular attention to efficiency and practicality with the following features: one-touch window functionality, an outside temperature display, heated front and rear seats, and leather upholstery. You and your passengers will enjoy the stereo system, which includes a CD player with MP3 capability and 6 well-positioned speakers. Hyundai ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, a panic alarm, an emergency communication system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. This car was designed with safety in mind, allowing you to drive with even greater assurance. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.